Yesterday was an amazing day. Learn English through a story.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to our English learning channel. Have you ever had a day that was so special that you couldn't stop thinking about it?
Well, today I'd like to tell you about one of those unforgettable days. As you listen to this story, pay attention to the verbs because today we're learning the simple past tense, the tense we use to talk about activities that happened in the past. Are you ready? Let's begin. Yesterday was one of the happiest days I've had in a long time. I woke up early at around 6:30 in the morning because I had exciting plans with my friends. The weather was beautiful, the sun was shining, the birds were singing, and a cool breeze made the morning feel fresh and peaceful. After I got out of bed, I made my bed, brushed my teeth, washed my face, and took a quick shower. Then I got dressed and went downstairs for breakfast. My mother cooked fried rice and eggs. It smelled delicious. I enjoyed every bite because I knew it was going to be a wonderful day. After breakfast, I packed my backpack with a water bottle, my camera, some snacks, and a notebook. At 8 o'clock, my friends arrived at my house. They looked excited too. "Good morning," they said with big smiles. "Are you ready?" my best friend asked. "Absolutely," I replied. We got into a car and drove to a beautiful lake just outside the city. The trip took about 1 hour. During the journey, we talked, laughed, listened to music, and sang our favorite songs together. Time passed so quickly. When we finally arrived, the view was breathtaking. The lake was calm and clear. The mountains surrounded the area, and colorful flowers bloomed everywhere. We couldn't believe how beautiful it was. The first thing we did was take lots of pictures. Then we walked around the lake and enjoyed the fresh air. We saw ducks swimming peacefully in the water. Some children played happily with their families, while other visitors relaxed under the trees. Around noon, we found a nice place to have a picnic. We shared sandwiches, fruit, fried chicken, and fresh orange juice. Everything tasted even better because we ate together while enjoying the beautiful scenery. After lunch, something funny happened. One of my friends accidentally dropped his sandwich. Before he could pick it up, a small dog ran over, grabbed it, and disappeared as fast as lightning. For a few seconds, everyone was completely silent. Then we all burst into laughter. It was one of the funniest moments of the day. Later in the afternoon, we rented bicycles and rode around the lake. At first, everything went smoothly, but then I almost lost my balance and nearly fell into a small bush. Luckily, my friends caught me just in time. We laughed even harder than before. As the sun slowly began to set, the sky turned orange, pink, and purple. It was one of the most beautiful sunsets I had ever seen. We sat quietly by the lake and watched the colors change across the sky. No one spoke for a few minutes. We simply enjoyed the peaceful moment together. Before going home, we took one last group photo. Everyone smiled brightly because we knew we had created wonderful memories. On the way back home, the car was much quieter. We were tired, but we were also happy. Each of us looked through the photos we had taken during the day. Every picture reminded us of another funny moment or another beautiful view. When I finally arrived home, I thanked my parents for letting me join the trip. After dinner, I took a shower and sat on my bed. Before I went to sleep, I looked at the photos one more time. Then I smiled. Yesterday wasn't just another ordinary day. It became one of my favorite memories. More importantly, I realized that happiness doesn't always come from expensive things. Sometimes it comes from spending quality time with the people we care about. Now, it's your turn. Can you tell me about what you did yesterday? Did you stay at home? Did you visit your grandparents? Did you play sports? Or did you spend time with your friends? Write your answer in the comments using the simple past tense. I'd love to read your story. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Keep practicing English every day. Keep believing in yourself. And remember, every story you tell makes your English a little stronger. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning!